Good evening. This is Kelly with the vlog coming at you again for January 5th, 2022. Today in this YouTube video, I was going to go into detail about SEO. SEO means search engine optimization for YouTube. When people upload a YouTube video, you would use the SEO or the search engine optimization for your channel, which is supposed to help you get more views on your channel. And if you download the vidIQ app either on your computer or your iPhone, you can get a high score for your SEO for your videos. And the thing that you want to do is when you're making a YouTube video and you get it uploaded and you put your title, your tags, and everything, what you want to have on your YouTube channel for your score would be a 50. So, and if you have TubeBuddy, you'd want to have a score of 100, because the search engine optimization is very important for your videos, because that's how people will find your videos on YouTube. And the goal in YouTube is to get as many views and as much engagement as possible, because all YouTubers try to get engagement, you try to get likes, views, all of it. And that's we all have YouTube, and I've had a lot of new people subscribe to my channel, and I had a question on there about SEO. So I wanted to explain what SEO does for your YouTube channel. So if you give your video the highest score that you can get, that will generate more views for your YouTube channel. And as your channel grows bigger and bigger, it's very important that you give every video a good SEO score, along with your title, tags, and description. All that stuff's important. And also having a really good thumbnail is really important. But one of the most important things that I think is important is having a good SEO score. And especially now that I got my YouTube channel over to 6,000 subscribers, SEO is extremely important. Especially when you do YouTube full time, you really want to give your videos the best SEO that you can possibly give them. And then, of course, you share your videos on Facebook. And then I would recommend that also, if you really want to grow your channel, you would try to find a group on Facebook. And if you connect with these groups, that can give you a lot more engagement for your channel. And also, what's very important for your YouTube channel, too, is to upload every day if you can. You have to get it done, and you have to upload every day also, along with the good SEO score. So I just wanted to say that in today's video. I know it's kind of short, but if you enjoyed it, like, share, give me thumbs up, and as always, don't quit on your YouTube channel.